Want to make your everyday life easier without taking up extra space? These small but powerful Amazon gadgets are designed to do big things in tiny packages. From boosting convenience to cutting clutter, they make daily tasks feel effortless. Check the links in the description to see them all. Your charging setup shouldn't look like a pile of tangled noodles. This foldable 3-in-1 charging stand powers your phone, watch, and earbuds all at once. Strong magnets snap your phone into perfect alignment, so you just drop it on and it starts charging. It also works as a stand, letting you watch videos or take calls hands-free while everything powers up. When you're done, it folds into a compact cube you can toss in a bag and take anywhere. This isn't your grandpa's lighter. It's a smart Zippo that feels straight out of the future. A built-in screen puts controls and info right in your hand, so you can see what's happening instead of guessing. It connects with your Android setup and even runs apps, turning a simple flame into a tiny smart device. Flip it open, tap the screen, and you're in control with no extra gadgets. Sleek, fun, and seriously cool. This lighter does more than just spark. Measuring awkward stuff just got way less annoying. This smart rolling tape measure lets you glide over straight lines, curves, and odd shapes with ease. As you roll it, a clear LCD screen shows the result instantly, so you don't squint at tiny markings. It even remembers past measurements, which saves you from redoing work. Small, rechargeable, and pocket-friendly, it's the kind of tool you'll reach for more than you expect. Your phone shouldn't feel like a space heater during intense moments. This magnetic phone cooler snaps on fast and blasts away heat to keep performance smooth. A powerful fan pulls heat out quickly, helping prevent lag, dim screens, and sudden slowdowns. Colorful lights glow while it works, adding a fun visual touch you can control. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or filming, your phone stays cool, comfortable, and ready to go. Showers don't have to be boring anymore. This waterproof phone holder keeps your screen safe while you watch videos or play music hands-free. It mounts right on the wall and rotates smoothly, so you can set the perfect viewing angle. The clear front stays responsive, letting you tap and swipe without pulling your phone out. Simple to install and fog-resistant, it turns your daily shower into a mini entertainment break. Laundry day doesn't need to steal your space. This retractable clothesline stays hidden until you need it, then pulls out smoothly to handle your drying. A built-in locking system keeps the line tight, so clothes don't sag as you hang more items. It works indoors or outdoors and shrugs off moisture without rusting. When you're done, it retracts back into the wall and disappears like it was never there. Nail care shouldn't feel like a chore or a risk. This electric nail clipper trims and smooths your nails with the press of a button. The hidden blades help keep things safe, making it gentle enough for kids and steady enough for seniors. A built-in light lets you see clearly, even in low light. Small, rechargeable, and mess-free, it keeps nail time quick and stress-free. Open snack bags never seem to close the same way twice. This mini heat sealer lets you reseal bags in seconds to keep food fresh. Just press, slide, and the opening is sealed tight with no waiting around. It also has a built-in cutter, so opening bags is just as easy as closing them. Small, rechargeable, and easy to store. It's perfect for everyday snack control. Crowded plates are a thing of the past. These clip-on bowl holders snap right onto the edge of your plate to hold sauces and spices. You keep dips separate without taking up eating space. They're perfect for parties, snacks, or backyard gatherings where plates fill up fast. Simple, colorful, and easy to clean, they make serving feel a lot more organized. Tired of spilled sodas and lost straws? These colorful silicone can lids snap onto standard cans and come with built-in reusable straws. They keep your drinks fresh, prevent spills, and make sipping on the go simple. Dishwasher safe and eco-friendly, they cut down on single-use plastics. Bright, fun, and practical, they're perfect for home, picnics, or parties where every drink stays under control. Tired of tossing half-eaten fruits or squished veggies? These reusable fruit and veggie savers keep your produce fresh and your fridge organized. The apple-shaped containers fit everything from avocados to tomatoes with a snug lid that seals in flavor. Soft silicone and durable plastic make opening and closing effortless while preventing leaks. Compact and easy to clean, you can take them anywhere, office, picnic, or camping, and reduce food waste without any hassle. Say goodbye to messy gift wrapping. This dual-use paper cutter and tape dispenser handles rolls and tape with ease. The sliding cutter gives straight cuts every time, while the built-in tape holder tears off tape quickly without sticky fingers. It comes with extra blades and tapes, so you're ready for any gift, big or small. The ergonomic handle and non-slip base make wrapping smooth and fast. Compact design fits neatly in your storage, keeping everything organized for holidays, birthdays, or parties. Meet the mini mop that's ready for any spill. This portable cleaning system works wet or dry, tackling floors, counters, glass, and even your car. The soft sponge heads absorb water quickly, and the one-handed squeeze handle makes wringing effortless. Its grooved design picks up dust and dirt for a spotless clean every time. Lightweight, compact, and easy to store, it turns tedious cleaning into a simple, stress-free task. Turn any space into a mini theater with this portable projector. It delivers bright, clear images with 720p resolution and 4K support, while the built-in 5-watt speaker fills the room with rich sound. Lightweight and rotatable, it works on tables, tripods, or even mounted on the ceiling. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth give you instant access to movies, shows, and games without extra devices. Easy to control with a smart remote, it's perfect for indoor fun or outdoor movie nights. Tired of powder flying everywhere? This measuring scoop and funnel combo keeps your shakes, supplements, and baby formula mess-free. The long handle reaches deep into bottles, letting you pour with one hand, right or left. Accurate measurements mean no wasted powder, and the spill-proof design works with anything from shaker bottles to small openings. Compact and easy to clean, it's perfect for workouts, cooking, or making your favorite drinks at home. Meet Red the Crab, your new kitchen sidekick. This silicone utensil rest keeps spoons, tongs, and ladles off the counter while you cook. Heat-resistant and sturdy, it handles steam and splatters without a fuss. BPA, free and easy to clean. It's dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Quirky, functional, and fun, Red adds a splash of personality to your kitchen while keeping your space tidy. Never worry about feeding your fish again. This automatic feeder dispenses flakes, pellets, or powder on a schedule you set every 8, 12, or 24 hours. The 200 milliliter container holds plenty of food, while the moisture-proof lid keeps it fresh and clump-free. Adjustable portions prevent overfeeding, and you can even feed manually anytime. Easy to install on most tanks. It's perfect for vacations, weekends, or just making fish care effortless. Say hello to hassle-free toothpicks. This smart dispenser uses an infrared sensor to deliver a toothpick the moment your hand hovers above it. The 120-degree tilt design makes pickup quick and easy, while the removable top keeps refills simple and the interior clean. Sleek and compact, it fits perfectly at home, in the office, or even on a restaurant table. practical, fun, and a little bit futuristic. It's also a clever gift idea. Tired of pet hair taking over your clothes and furniture? This reusable gel lint roller grabs hair, dust, and crumbs in seconds. Compact and lightweight, it fits in your pocket, bag, or suitcase for cleaning on the go. Just rinse under water to restore its stickiness, no paper waste, and it lasts for years. Gentle on fabrics and easy to use, it's a simple way to keep your clothes and home looking spotless. Forget fumbling for keys! This smart fingerprint padlock opens instantly with your thumb, giving you quick, secure access to lockers, backpacks, or suitcases. Setup is simple. Just scan your finger a few times and you're ready to go. A low battery alert lets you know when it's time to recharge, and the included cable makes it easy. Sleek, lightweight, and portable, it's a modern upgrade to traditional locks. Meet the camera that does it all. This 2-in-1 vlogging and home security camera captures your adventures and keeps an eye on your space. With 2.5K resolution and night vision, every detail is clear day or night. AI detection alerts you to pets or people, while two-way audio lets you interact from anywhere. Magnetic mounting makes it easy to place anywhere, and instant clips can be shared right to your phone for fun or security. Make fishing easier with these mini fishing pliers. The aluminum alloy body and tungsten steel blades cut lines cleanly and handle hooks safely. A built-in spring lets you open and close them effortlessly, while the safety buckle keeps them secure when not in use. Lightweight and portable, they hang easily from your vest or tackle box. Perfect for anglers, they're a handy, durable tool for every fishing trip. Cut down shipping time with this Bluetooth thermal label printer. It prints 4x6 labels quickly and clearly without ink or toner, using only thermal paper. Connect easily to Android, iPhone, or Windows devices, or plug in via USB for desktops. Compact and efficient, it's perfect for home businesses or busy offices. Print shipping, price, or barcode labels fast and reliably, keeping your workflow smooth and professional. Keep an eye on your home or loved ones with this mini hidden camera. It records in HD and switches to infrared automatically for clear night vision. Motion detection alerts you instantly on your phone, so you never miss important events. Wireless and easy to set up, it runs on battery or USB power for flexible placement. With expandable storage, you can view, record, and loop footage anytime for total peace of mind. Keep your iPhone charger safe and organized with this 2-in-1 silicone protector. It wraps around your 18-watt or 20-watt charger to prevent drops, scratches, and dirt. The built-in cord wrap lets you neatly store your charging cable without tangles. Made from waterproof, high-quality silicone, it's washable, reusable, and portable. Perfect for home or travel. Comes in a set of 4, making it a handy gift for friends and family. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.